on a regular basis is important for maintaining a humidifier's performance because bacteria can multiply in sitting water and re-enter the air if maintenance is not performed. Here are a few steps you can take to keep your air fresh. Daily cleaning. Empty the water from both the tank and the water basin. Now you're ready to fill and use your humidifier. Weekly maintenance. Always turn off the humidifier and unplug it from the outlet before cleaning. Remove the tank from the base and empty the water from both the tank and the water basin. Fill the water tank with a half gallon of water. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Shake the tank vigorously and allow it to sit for 20 minutes. Shake tank again and empty the water. Rinse the water tank a few times to get rid of the vinegar odor. Make the same white vinegar and water solution. Pour right into the water basin. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then empty it. Rinse with clean water a few times to remove any vinegar odor. Wipe with a clean, soft cloth. Wipe dry. Wipe the exterior surface of the water tank and water basin with a soft, dry cloth. Do not use water. Never immerse water basin in water. End of season maintenance. Make sure that the water tank has air dried without the water cap secured. Again, make sure the water basin and the water tank are completely dry before end of season storage. Store the humidifier in a cool, dry place.